Do Cats Think? By Paul Corey. Cats, birds, and ecology. The usual reason a bird lover gives for hating cats is they catch birds. A cat is a predator. It loves to hunt. It is part of the ecological chain. Perhaps birds are proof of the cliché about living dangerously. They seem to like living around cats. We have a California neighbor. He is a bird lover. He came from Long Island and laments the West Coast's paucity of birds. I tell him, get some cats, and he'll have birds. We always have had from 2 to 4 cats, and also more birds than the neighbor has the full 12 months of the year. Of course, we discourage our cats from catching birds. It's not too difficult. In the first place, they are well fed. Which lets them be selective in their search for prey. We never praise them for catching birds. Well, hardly ever. And we do praise them for catching rodents. Sometimes, when a cat catches a bird, it's a fait accompli. There's nothing to do but make the best of a situation.